visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
This is an LGBTQIA plus relationship, no? Pwede rin naman yung mga heterosexuals makinig kayo. Again, walang boundary ang love, no? Love has no gender. If it resonates with you, then the message is for you, no? Ang nakikita natin dito medyo nagtatampo tayo dahil napapansin natin unti-unting nawawala yung focus, unti-unting nadadivert yung attention ni person sa iba, sa ibang bagay, no? Hindi natin alam kung tao, what have you, pero napapansin natin yung panlalamig. Siguro nasanay tayo na nabigyan tayo ng attention. Pwedeng sobra-sobra, no? The gradual change, I think that this is gradual, no? Kasi medyo it takes time for you to observe na meron nga something, no? With the four of swords, parang sinabi mo dito, may mali ba sa akin? May mali ba sa mga ginagawa ko? Nakagawa ba ako ng kasalanan? Kasi with the death card in here, you're trying to revive. Even to a point na siguro nagpapapansin tayo ngayon, no? Kay person. Meron tayong mga ginagawa na to divert their attention to you, back to you. Pero parang hindi nagte-take effect eh. So parang sinasabi natin dito, nagbumukbok tayo sa isang tabi. Dahil nga sa mga situation na pwede natin tawaging unfortunate dahil this is something that we don't want to experience, no? The Ten of Pentacles, the Justice, the Knight of Wands. So, binigay natin lahat. I feel like medyo, even to a point, probably we ask, our person to tell us what they want, whether this is a thing, whether this is a travel sa ang lugar, no? Or food, no? Kung anong gusto niya. Wala naman siyang hinihingi. Or probably this is something that na dumating na lang sa isip mo. Baka kailangan we need to unwind, no? Baka kailangan naming lumabas. I think that you're still looking for a solution, for you to get your person's attention. Hindi sa nagpapapansin ka dito, hindi sa nagpapabebe ka. Hindi ka lang sanay na merong idle time, no, sa inyong relationship. It felt like very active. I don't know kung anong active sa inyo. It could be verbal, it could be sex life. The Ace of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Emperor. It seems like huwag tayo mag-isip ng masama. Wala akong nakikitang dapat tayo ipag-alala. Kung iniisip mong itong si person ay nadadivert yung kanyang attention sa tao, it's not. Sa trabaho, pwede. It could be dahil eto na nga yung Christmas season, no? gastusan na, Ace of Pentacles, medyo I feel like someone is rushing in here para mapanindigan man lang nila, no? Either this is sa family, sa friends, sa inaanak, and this is not pride, Filipino, no? Kailangan somewhat meron kang iaabot, no? I think that someone here is also rushing, no? Meron ditong sandali, nagising na lang ako na baka kulangin ako, no? Dahil padating na ang Pasko, padating na ang bagong taon. Someone is rushing to get abundance, no? Whether this is humahanap ng either extra income, no? Hindi naman hanky-panky, no? Walang monkey business doon. But it felt like humahanap ito ng paraan para magkaroon ng extra for this season. Siguro meron din itong gustong ibigay sa'yo with the Justice card, no? Kasi I think if this is a thing na gusto niya ibigay sa'yo, it's something very expensive. So, wag magtampo. Wag din natin naman isisi sa pagkakataon, no? Dito sa dahil magpapasko. Sino ba kasi wala nang ganyan. Sino nag-imbento ng ganyan? What have you? But what I'm trying to, sino nag-imbento ng pera? There you go. Ayan. Kurutin natin isa-isa. Pero wala namang ganon, no? Walang third party. They're just busy with doing some extra job, no? For this season. This is your reading. Let's check your person's zodiac sign. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, or baka lumabas din ang zodiac sign mo. Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Libra, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Gemini. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.